one, let's see what you should do. This is what I got to see. Evaluate the integral of x over x to the fourth plus 25 dx. So this one's a u sub, okay? Let u equal x squared, right? Then we know that du, of course, is 2x dx. Half of that, so half of du is the x dx that we have. And so let's rewrite this in terms of the u. Well, then the integral becomes half the integral of du in our numerator. In our denominator, we get u squared plus 25. You know this is a trig sub, right? So now we can say, well, let u equal tan of theta. Then, of course, u squared plus 25 would be 5 tan of theta squared plus 25, which is 25 tan squared of theta plus 25. Factoring out of 25, we know this is 25, and then tan squared of theta plus 1 is secant squared of theta. But then if u is 5 tan theta, then we know that du, remember the derivative of tan is secant squared. So du would be 5 secant squared of theta d theta. So this becomes our new sub-bubble, our subble. So our integral becomes half of, well, the du is the 5 secant squared of theta. And so this is the integral of 5 secant squared of theta d theta. And then u squared plus 25 ends up being 25 secant squared of theta. So this simplifies to where we get 1 over 1/5 and 1/2 is 1/10. This is the integral of just d theta. Well, of course, the integral of d theta is just theta plus c. And so we get 1/10 of that theta. Don't forget the plus c now that we're done integrating. So we get 1/10. Remember that u is 5 tan of theta. And so it's become theta is just a tan inverse of u over 5 plus c. But now we have to go back and plug in what u was, right? And our original u was just x squared. And so we get this is 1/10 the tan inverse of x squared over 5 plus c. Always remember, math is everywhere.